Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Britain's budget deficit was bigger than expected in August, a reminder of the difficult financial backdrop for new Finance Minister Kwasi Kwarteng as he readies his first mini-budget fiscal update to Parliament. Nasdaq is making its first major push into crypto, as the second largest stock exchange prepares to capitalize on increasing appetite for digital currencies among big money investors. The dollar jumped to a new two-decade high as a decision by Russia's President Vladimir Putin to mobilize more troops for the conflict in Ukraine rattled markets just before another expected aggressive US rate hike. The euro-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The UK's GfK consumer confidence will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ interest rate decision at 0300 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The French business climate in manufacturing at 0645 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.